Good afternoon, this is Colton with Blvd Roofing and Solar, doing a digital roof inspection here for the owner and also Firestone as well. This is a commercial building out in the Lake Murray area. First thing we like to do is start at the eaves of the roof, which is, the eaves are actually the overhang over here. I did document a bunch of pictures and whatnot of rotted rafters that are actually coming out and actually support these eaves up. So it's very imperative that, you know, those are addressed, as there's a lot of weight on this roof with big eaves. We worry about collapsing. We can see the repair section right here. You know, they just slapped a piece of tar paper and didn't even use roof nails, and actually just, you know, basically slapped this on the edge here and need to put up some more you know, roof tiles. Looks like it's really hard to do, and that's probably why they didn't do it, because you got a really steep drop right here, not a lot of room to work with right here. Type of roofing material on the pitch section is a Spanish tile, clay tile. They do go with a staggered look. There's even some waves in this to really accent the Spanish style. Flat section was recently redone. I did do an inspection on it, and it's a TPO flat roof. This is what we install as well. Checked all the seams. They look to be in good condition. I would say this roof was installed within the last 5 years here. We see that the TPOs ran up all the way to the parapet wall and terminated underneath the coping metal with the coping metal on top. Package unit is relatively newer, and they were properly flashed during that roof process as well. The concern for this roof is going to be the pitched roof. Now it appears to be the original pitched roof when this building was built. There's a lot of broken tiles, a lot of debris like this that's trapping water on the roof. There's a bunch of cracked tiles, and the paper underneath is the original felt paper they used when they built this roof. Now, you know, that is a 15-20 year product. I need to do research on when this building was built, but more than likely it's at the end of its life expectancy. So, you know, we can definitely put, you know, some clay tiles right here for the building owner, but, you know, something we do need to think about is the rotted beams that are basically underneath this clay tile pitch holding it up, right? I will attach those pictures in my report, but we can see, you know, paper, you know, these aren't waterproof, you know, and so the paper is the waterproofing material. Well, over time, it'll eventually soak through, and you'll get a buildup of rotted wood, especially with termite damage as well. We can see various, you can kind of see that wave that I'm talking about, how the tile waves down there. It's a really unique look. You don't see it that often. You know, sections where tiles are pushed up, right, allow for wind-driven rain to get underneath. And we did notice about 3 cracked tiles like that one right there on the front section. You know, water can get directly under the paper. Another one right there. And then we get over to this section over here where we get another good vantage point of the roof. And we can see a perfect example of a slip tile right here. This tile slipped out from underneath, right? The nail's broken over time. You can see the debris that's gotten under there. Really don't have a vision to the felt paper per se, but you can definitely know that water can get underneath there. There's some really bad rotted beams on this side of the roof as well. Recommendation, we can fully put some clay tiles over there where they slapped on the felt paper, but it is definitely to the time where you want to start, you know, looking at redoing this roof, and you know, our roof crews are capable of redoing the beams as well. And that is something that happens during a roof project to make sure that we have structural integrity. You know, as they get more rotted, you just have a safety concern. But flat roof is in really good condition. I am concerned with the clay tile. We will pass this information along to Firestone and hopefully the buyer. Thank you.